What's up, Gun Nation? Back at another one, y'all. This is my ammo score for today. Pretty impressive, the price sure as hell wasn't. Got $12 a box for this. I got 100 rounds. I could have picked up a lot more, but I was already spent too much money on this shit. Always get your ammo, guys. This is a case of these Barnells. Or however you pronounce it there. 223 full metal jacket, bolt tails, 5.56 by 45, non-corrosive. It's got the coating on the steel case. Let's open one up here and see what they actually look like. It looks to me like just like Tula ammo. Honestly, it don't look any different than Tula ammo. You can hear the powder, which means it's not a compressed charge, compressed load. Looks like the same primers. Ammo, guys, you got to get what you can get. They also had some PMC X-Tac, which I have several, probably 1,000 rounds of that put back anyway. So I didn't buy that. That would have been about $700 for 1,000 rounds, $15 for 20. These are $10 for 20 for one box. I got 2 boxes here. So 25 boxes of 20 rounds, 500. That's about $250 for each one of these. So I gave, well, no, it's about $215, something like that. Ended up being $530 altogether. And then all these, this 100 rounds over here was like $65, $67. So just got a little extra to put back, and got a lot of training rounds right here. Last weekend we went through about 280 rounds. Looking forward to doing it again this next weekend. Hopefully they're going to have some pistol ammo come in, and I'll be ordering some 9mm, because they said the shipment was supposed to come in today, but they didn't get it in. They said it'll be here tomorrow. Check them out, guys. Get your ammo while you can. Train wisely. Don't waste all your rounds. Waste all your money shooting right now. But actually train if you're going to. Do a lot of dry fire practice. Always be prepared for the unknown, and if that day happens, fight like hell and overcome it.